Hello friends, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change row height in Excel. So to change row height, firstly select a row where you want to change height, like this 9-number row. So select, then in Home tab you will see Cells section. So click on this drop down underneath Format. Change the row height or column width, organize sheets or protect or hide cells. So click on this drop down. Now click on row height. Default is 15.5. You can change data and value like 25. Then click on OK. That's it. And if you want to change row height for multiple rows, so select that rows. And similar in the Home tab, in Cells Format section, click on this drop down and click on row height. Now change as your requirement. Then click on OK. So hopefully guys you like this video. By this basic and simple steps we can know how to change row height in Excel. Thanks for watching this video.